Oh yeah, I can't really skate because it's training outside. So I think I'd rather catch my little brother going through my stuff. He doesn't know I'm here.
Yeah, it's for my brother, Tony Tuck, Dad Pratt. Fuck the police. You couldn't never understand how my mind tick. I'm on some old school crime shit where niggas hold tools and keep the dimes lit. Ain't no rules when these iron shots is thrown. Done this heat burn through your flat, straight to the bones. I reach for the Buddha and zone. I probably have a future of stress, stay depressed and be alone. But as far as the present time is on, I represent mine till I return to the essence and I'm dead and gone. Nobody gonna be broke when you leave or put me on the corner, watch me catch a quick case of cream fever. If you be popping shit, my niggas won't believe you. Probably punch you in your face and take your wallet when we see ya. But son, it get deeper. I'm running with a clique that's being hunted by the Grim Reaper. To all my niggas in the man, keep